everybody, welcome to North High Government Team. I am Miss Espinoza. I have been a teacher here at North forever and a day, like 13 or 15 years, something like that. And then we have my partners over here.
I am Mr. Moreno. This is my 5th year at North. I teach government and economics, and this is
Mr. Palomera. I teach government, world history, and AVID. This is my 6th year here at North.
All right, so we wanted to talk to you guys about government classes and how our expectations go. We all kind of very much agree that government is not a stand on the sideline and let me tell you how it works kind of place. And it's really a really engaged activity. We expect kids to do things outside of the classroom and to get involved in the civic process in real life, okay? We all agree on that, and we all want that for all of our kids. We focus on current events, we focus on civic engagement, and all of us use technology every single day in our classes. So that's kind of expectations. But for me, I'm in LA 81, and Mr. Moreno's in?
I am in LA 20. And one thing is our classes are very collaborative. We do expect students to social distance and stay safe and healthy in our classes, but our classes are very social, very collaborative. There are a lot of individual and group projects. And if your student does fall behind or they do need extra help, we do offer tutoring 3 to 4 times a week. That may differ based on, I know each of us have different responsibilities with clubs, sports, etc. But usually we offer tutoring, whether it's during advisory time, 3rd hour, whether it's after school, after 2:40 p.m., or whether it is during lunchtime.
I'm with him. I'm usually here until at least 3:30 most days.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Palomera, do you have anything to add?
Just that we're also, obviously reachable through Microsoft Teams, so just make sure your student has access to Teams and has it downloaded on their phone. They can send us a message and ask us about tutoring, ask us a message, or send us a message and ask us about, any makeup work that they need to complete. And we also do use Class Notebook and OneNote, if your student has that downloaded. And you can support your student the best by just making sure that they check their grades often, that you also have access to Parent View, so you can look at your students' grades. And to just make sure that you reach us out. Our final project that we include in our class, like Ms. Espinoza had mentioned, is something that requires them to go into the outside and become engaged in the democratic civic process, right? So if you have questions, please reach out to us. We are accessible. I'm in LA 16, so tutoring is always available after school as well. That's all I have to add.
Did we get it all?
I think so.
I think we got it all.
I think we got it all.
We're glad to have you guys back. We love North Kids. Our doors are always open. We'll see you soon.